Hello, this is Mike from Toy Train Tips and Tricks with this week's new product announcements for O and O27 gauge operators. See the video description for links to more information for each of these products. The newest offering from Menards is the O-Scale number 279-8306 Cripple Creek General Store. The fully assembled and decorated structure has a two-story wood design with a rusty steel roof. The building has a modest 11 5/8 inch by 7 5/8 inch footprint and a height of 9 inches. The model has exterior LED lighting above the main sign, and LEDs are placed beneath the porch roof. The model is priced at $79.99. The model also requires a 4.5 volt power supply sold separately. M.T.H Electric Trains has announced several exclusive and uncatalogued RailKing O-Gauge American crane cars. In CSX livery for exclusive distribution by JR Junction Train Hobby. In Santa Fe Blackbonnet livery in 2 different road numbers for exclusive distribution by Patrick's Trains of Wheeling, West Virginia. And an unlettered version for exclusive distribution by Mr. Muffin's Trains in Atlanta, Indiana. These cranes are expected to ship in January 2023 and will be extremely limited in production. The early order price of these cranes is $84.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an exclusive RailKing O-Gauge roadside stand building in a unique Griswold Christmas tree graphics for exclusive distribution by Train World in Brooklyn, New York. The building will be available in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis with an anticipated arrival date of December 2022. The fully assembled and painted structure features detailed ABS construction, lighted interior, and a lighted LED rooftop sign. The structure measures 8.5 inches by 5 7/16 inches by 4 1/4 inches. The early order price is $74.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains will also be releasing a series of 2023 RailKing O-Gauge 40-foot high cube boxcars in 4 paint schemes: Southern Pacific, Santa Fe, Norfolk Southern, and Conrail, beginning early next spring. Each of these unique schemes will be available in limited production quantities, and they are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in April 2023. Each 40-foot high cube boxcar features a detailed ABS body, metal wheels and axles, die-cast 4-wheel trucks, operating die-cast metal couplers, decorative brake wheels, opening car doors, separate metal handrails, fast angle wheel sets, and needlepoint axles. The cars measure 11 3/8 inches by 2.5 inches by 3 7/8 inches, and they operate on O27 and larger curves. The cars have a suggested retail price of $69.95. And MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive RailKing O-Gauge tank car decorated for Reading and Northern for exclusive distribution by the retailer Easy Catch. The tanks will be available in 2 car numbers and will be available in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis with an anticipated arrival date of January 2023. The cars are priced at $58.99 each, plus freight. Atlas O has announced the arrival of 3 new Hillside series structure kits coming soon to a dealer near you. The 3 offerings are Margie's Macchiato's Coffee Shop, Steve's Music Store, and Wilson's Gas and Go Service Station. Each kit retails for $72.50. Atlas O has also announced the arrival of Trainman 52.5-foot flat cars with pipe loads in new paint schemes and new road numbers. The 3 rail cars can navigate O31 and larger curves and feature a realistic pipe load with deck tie-downs on each car. Roller bearing trucks with rotating bearing caps, accurate painting and lettering, separately applied brake wheels, scale dimensions, and accurate details. Also, die-cast trucks and couplers, and a weighted detailed underframe. The 3 rail cars retail for $64.95 each. That's all for this week, and until next time, keep the trains running.